Hey everybody, my name is Tauman, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can fix the disconnected from the server error in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just like when you are in Among Us, click on online and go to right down corner to Europe, click on it and choose Asia or North America. This is how you can like solve easily your problem. And then when you're gonna find game, find game, you can like really find the game simply. So yeah, thank you very much. If you have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you. And also I recommend, like, when you try to choose different server and just like finding the game and you're not disconnected anymore, or you're disconnected more, try to also like change your Ethernet cable or like Wi-Fi if it's working or not. So